What up, Facebookers? It's your boy T. We're behind the scenes right now of the making of the House of Brown movie. And so I'm gonna let y'all see. That's Miss Brown, who's doing an amazing job. Yes. Hold on, let me get my camera so I can flip you. There you go, right there. That's Miss Brown right She tired. I love it. I love it. Let me see. I love it. I got you on Facebook Live. Okay. Tell them about the movie, Miss Brown. Tell them what's going on.
House of Brown movie is coming up pretty soon, and we want you to know that we're living. Take that off.
It's live. You on live. You gotta talk to her.
I'm so tired. I never thought it would take this much to make a movie, and I'm just over the clothes part.
Okay.
And LT, the director, is so on, and I didn't know it took that much work. Hi, Terry, Diane, Rob, and all of us to do this what I'm doing because it is hard, and we'll be coming out pretty soon. So hopefully it's gonna be a blockbuster. We need a lot of things here in Houston, and we're gonna make it happen.
Yeah.
And I know for a fact that this movie, the legendary House of Brown, will be a blockbuster. So see us in Hollywood.
Yeah. Okay, look at that. Okay, that's the House of Brown. Okay, go ahead on. Yeah, the House of Brown Gill.
Okay. The iconic production. Okay. The iconic production, Jalea, one of the toughest directors around. She is so smart. She's a genius. And man, I tell you, she got it going on. Along with LT, they're going to make this happen.
Yeah.
It's tough.
And it's Iconic Productions.
It's Iconic Production.
Iconic Production. So you guys, y'all be looking out for the House of Brown movie. We're going to go through and look at some of these clothes. This is some of the beautiful ladies that y'all going to see in the movie.
Hey guys.
All of these cuties. Look at them stripes over there.
Stripes.
So we're going to go through and look at... You said your grandmother had one of those?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Got Easy E on here. Y'all check this out, man. They not playing nothing here.
I love this.
Oh, wow. So, this is some of the clothes, you guys. What's going on? So, the ladies are picking up outfits.
That's elegant. I thought, you know what I picked for you, Kiki, if you were gonna wear a long from here, I put that.
You guys check that out.
It's a bad secret. No, not that.
This is some of the clothes as well. So, this is how the magic is done when it comes down to movies. Some of the dresses you'll be seeing in the movie. These are some of the wigs. Everybody's right now labeling. The girls will be coming periodically today and working out their clothing. Okay. Was I muted?
Okay. She's a hairstylist, so she's going to do her own hair.
I told her her hair is pretty. It's very pretty.
I like one she got. A shot is so bad. I mean, she can.
I'm gonna fix it. It's a 27. I gotta do it. It's a 27 piece. I have to.
So this some of your outfits you're picking out, Charmaine?
We did the pictures. The one we did the pictures in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the one.
And the same color I got.
Right.
Kind of stylish, right?
You can't have no blonde red because during those days
Okay, just all black?
Yeah.
Just black, okay.
It's great.
That lady that wore this, that was pretty on her, because she had
That's you.
full hair.
That's you.
Yeah, she wore that.
Yeah, that's you. You and Diane like them furs. Diane the same way.
She had the hairstyle for it. She looked like one of the Donna Ross girls.
And it was tight on her too, how
It fitted, huh?
Yeah, it fits. It fits.
I think you can go in back there.
She need to look at those tall boots. Right?
Oh, the white ones?
Uh-huh.
Does that go with the shorts?
Yeah.
Where's
You
your
have to
Are you trying
try
it
it
on?
right there. The shorts go with it.
Oh, girl, yeah, that'll be worth it.
Hey, you guys, thank y'all tuning in.
What top you gonna wear with it? Oh, yes, ma'am.
I got the
That's
white
what's
boots.
up.
Okay, I have that's your name. Okay.
That's what's up.
What can she go change at? Oh, just hide back there. You can hide back there, Charmaine. Thank you. No, not at all.
I'm changing right there. We don't have any place else to change. I know. I got an outfit for that. I got an outfit for that. Kiki, you can't wear everything in here.
She ready to try out everything.
Wear everything in here.
I want this. I want that. Oh my God. So it's exciting.
Well, this is fun, you guys.
Oh, it was time.
Y'all stay looking locked in. Let y'all see what else is going on.
Yeah, go inside and take a look at that.
Yeah, this is the House of Brown. So, this is the legendary House of Brown Hair Salon. And this is Mr. Brown, celebrity hairstylist. And these are some of Mr. Brown's clients. This is the inventor of the conch. So, all of you people and your grandmothers that had the hair, Mr. Brown is the inventor, creator of the conch. But this is some of his clients, from Ike Turner to Etta James to Little Richard, Ruth Brown, Otis Redding, Jackie Wilson, Tammy Terrell, Sam Cooke, Bobby Blue Bland, the legend, even Muhammad Ali. So, Mr. Brown is a legend, super legend in the hair business, and definitely I'm gonna be coming from Mr. Brown and getting some of that game. Super talented. So this gotta be the largest hair salon in Houston. So look how big the salon is, you guys. So yeah, we're just walking through House of Brown. Those of you here in the Houston area, I know you guys remember way back in the days with the commercials on the radio. So I gotta get out of here before I turn my music stuff off, because the music in the background. All right, we're going back in.
Okay, what time? I got to stay on my schedule. What time is it? Okay, I got runs, I got
Robin, what you doing, Robin? She got snacks. Got snacks. She over there throwing down. She throwing down. Let me see your gear. Yeah. Come on out here. Let them have it. Let them have it. Let them have it. Yeah.
That's cute.
No.
Okay, and then like
No. Take it off. It's not working.
it needs to fit a little better.
It's too
Yeah,
big.
it needs to
Take
fit.
it off. That's not.
And then when you walk in heels, Well, I need to tell
She gonna make sure they right now. This woman know what she
The
doing.
key to walking the hills to make it look professional is trying to bend your knees as least as possible. Try not to bend your knees when you're walking.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gotta do the catwalk, baby.
Yeah, because when you
I'm gonna show y'all how to do the catwalk, the turn.
Yeah. All right, little catwalks.
Catwalk, not cat fight.
That's that Golden Triangle talent. Y'all support Miss August. Y'all go follow Miss Diane August. She's been putting out quite a few film projects lately, so super talented. Golden Triangle. You gone? Oh, they having fun. They having fun. They don't want to go now. Girls in clothes. See what happens? All right, I got you. She ready. She ready.
Let me see what you got, baby.
All right, I'm finished to get. Hold on, let me see.
Make it look good.
I got you. All right, you guys. We're getting ready to go. Support House of Brown movie. It's gonna be super trendy. Super hot. Really cool outfits. So
Old when it comes to this. I'm
we're
still
gonna be getting it in behind the scenes. So it's on H-Town. House of Brown movie. We out.